On Pantaloon SIMA 2018 on the red carpet, we're having celebrities and technicians just walk in, and it's such a pleasure to meet all of you. So tell us, how do you feel about being a part of this event?
It's wonderful, as usual. Like I said, been here a few times. It's always nice to be at SIMA. It's a nice experience. Yeah.
Great. And all four industries coming together on an international platform. How important is this to the industry, you feel?
It's very good. It's like get some time to meet everyone, spend some time with rest of the industry, other industry people, which we normally won't get. So it's a great time. It's very important.
That's nice. And in fact, today we're live on Facebook. I think these days social media plays such an important role, right? So what would you like to, is there a message that you would like to convey to everybody through Facebook?
No, I hope you're all having a good SIMA event, and watch out SIMA. It'll be telecast soon on thing. Check it out.
It's going to be telecasted on View app. If you could just quickly make an announcement for us.
Yeah, it'll be on View app very soon. So check it out.
Thank you so much, sir. Hope you have a wonderful SIMA. Absolutely. And sir, I know that you're always such a young personality at heart and you're always ready to have fun with youngsters. We just have a quick game here which is called Never Have I Ever. So you just have to pick a card, and what is written in it, if you've done it, you just have to tell us you've done it. Otherwise, you just have to say, no, I haven't done it. Simple.
7, 8,
Lucky number,
9.
sir?
9 is my lucky.
Oh, great. So would you have to show us?
Fallen asleep while listening to your script. Never in my life. Never in my life. Because what happens is, that is our God. Script is our God. Normally, what happens, the writer, I even tell my son, when you are listening to a script, give your 100%, give your heart to it, give your mind to it. Because that writer, with so much of struggle, when Police Story was narrated to me, which still I am living after 25 years, with that character called Agni, that writer David made me to listen to that script in 3 hours, and still I remember his expressions, his emotions. So that character entered into my blood because of that writer David. So we should respect the script. Script is the heart of a film. And I personally request these youngsters also, what I tell to my son, I'm telling him also, script, don't neglect it. When you are listening, be there and listen to it. Then it's your choice. If you like it, you do it. If not, you tell them, sir, I don't think I can do justice to this role, or I can't do this script. But never. And I'm so happy that I got a wonderful one for me, which even have a message to the future generation.
Absolutely.
So script is important.
I think it's no surprise, right, that he is always on the top. It's because of this sort of a dedication. After all these years, even when you're such a big legend, you still have this sort of a dedication. Truly inspires all of us, sir. Thank you so much. And very quickly, I'm going to request you to pick a card as well. Yes.
Tripped someone on a purpose? No.
Tripped someone on purpose, sir. So you tell us, do you think he's done it? Ever tried to trip someone, make them fall?
Nijan cheppu.
My God, the look! I'm telling you, we've seen it in films, but watching it up close is like a whole new level. So after that,
No, seriously, no.
The best part is this one is very dangerous. If you tell lie, it will start now.
I've never done that.
such a good boy. Well, anyways, thank you so much. Congratulations on your nomination. Hope you win as well. And sir, we always love you. We're always rooting for you. Thank you so much for joining us, and all the very best to you as well.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.